High bar means it's on your traps up here, not on your neck, but your traps. The rear delts under your scapula. That's the position for the low bar, and you're going to get more glute activation and just your posterior chain in general from doing low bar back squats. It's actually what powerlifters do too. Only thing about this one is it feels like it's going to fall off, and it forces you to really push it and hold it onto your shoulders, which is good because it's going to build your shoulders. So it like does everything. So you're going to go wider. Like normally I would do my stance about like this. Got to keep your toes open, not too much. You want them in line with your kneecaps. See when I go down, my toes are in the same direction as my kneecaps. So you don't want your toes here and your knees going out. It's going to give you tendonitis. So keep it open more than normal, but not like this, but just a little bit more, a little bit wider than normal. Push through your heels, and you can actually get some really good M&Ms right here. Mind muscle connection to your glutes. Here's what you don't want. I had a lady this morning, she was squatting, and her knees are still in versus out. So when I say push your knees out, I don't mean this. I mean push your knees out, not here. Push them out.